Hi, I'm Dan from Laser Ammo, and today we're going to demonstrate the proper way to assemble the SureStrike and install it in a semi-automatic pistol with an adapter. In front of me I have a .45 caliber semi-automatic pistol, but what you will see now is exactly the same for the .40 and the .357, all the semi-automatics that use the safety pipe and the safety nut in the SureSecure system. We take the pistol, check it to make sure that it's empty, and lock it open. Taking the laser cartridge, we open the cap, place it on the side, pick up your adapter, and again, the .40, the .45 install exactly the same way. On the top of the adapter there's a flange with very fine threads. The bottom is completely open. The part with the threads go up. Place it on the laser cartridge, gently catch the threads, and thread it all the way down until it stops. Snug it up, doesn't have to be too tight. Take your battery with the flat side up, the flat is always your positive, place it inside the laser cartridge, and now we install the cap. Catch the threads, thread it all the way down. The laser cartridge with the adapter is now ready to install. Open your weapon and simply place the laser cartridge into the receiver. It should drop right in. Holding it in with your finger, take your safety pipe with the small threaded section first, place it into your barrel, and thread it into the end of the laser cartridge. You will feel it catch. It only has to be snug. Take the safety nut and install it on the end of the safety pipe. Close the weapon, test it for operation. Your SureStrike cartridge is now ready for use.